Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best rear view mirror dash cam. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's the result of research for our. We rank the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Pellucid. This car DVR has 2 cameras that allows for simultaneously recording videos from 2 different angles. Touchscreen to switchback camera. Higher quality images help to identify vital details such as license plates, driver actions and road features which may prove your innocence. Built-in Wi-Fi enables you stay connected on the go and fast web browsing. GPS map, movie, music and applications could be pre-downloaded when free Wi-Fi available. The quad-core 1.5 GHz high-performance processor incorporates Android 8.1 smart systems. It makes the car DVR runs more quickly. You can download any app from Google Play Store. 3-axis G-sensor senses sudden acceleration, braking and collisions in order to automatically capture and protect critical footage surrounding an accident. Number 4. Brand name, Dashcam. Mirror dash cam with a 10-inch full-view touchscreen provides crystal image without any delay. Very clear and smooth images display as like a stream flowing on the excellent wide dynamic range and auto-adjusting brightness streaming mirror. Advanced driver assistance system with forward collision warning or collision avoidance. The sensors can sense the proximity of vehicles or other obstructions ahead, such as animals, pedestrians or roadway obstructions. However, if the system determines that you are drifting, it sounds a specific alarm so that you can take corrective actions. The Dashcam mirror dash cam uses strong light suppression and analog high-definition technology to provide very clear and soft images for drivers at night. It can capture more details whether at night or during the day. 24-hour parking monitor works on an internal battery. Simple installation and operation, even for the first-time user. Number 3. Brand name, Rearview. 10-inch IPS Ultra HD full-size streaming media mirror touchscreen will provide you with super clear and bright real-time traffic condition without delays. 2.5K Full HD front camera and enhanced 1080 pixels rear camera create a high-quality and smooth video day and night. Capture all the critical details around your car like license plates, signposts and pedestrians. You won't miss any matters. 6G cam lens providing sharp images during daytime and crystal clear footages during nighttime. We provide an 8-meter cable and a 0.2-meter cable for rear camera, so rear camera can also be an inside camera according to your different installation. The IP68 waterproof rear view camera ensures a clear view of the traffic behind you no matter how bad the weather. New function of the rear camera makes it as a monitor for in-car recording, especially valuable for ride-share drivers and parents. CarView 3 is able to display a clear image while driving in the rain thanks to its water-resistant rear camera allowing. The front camera can capture the roads efficiently with the 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens that comfortably provides 4-lane covered view. Enhanced 1080 pixels HD rear camera that covers the whole rear view, to guarantee more safety without distortion, give you a clearer and broader rear view. When the G-sensor detects a collision or sudden braking, it will immediately enable emergency recording and automatically lock the current files in the case of an incident, keeping your most important footage protected. Parking mode monitors your car's surroundings while your car is parked and the engine is not running. It automatically begins recording once the motion is detected. Number 2. Brand name, OBD Peak. 12-inch panoramic streaming IPS touchscreen. In the process of driving, You can not only see the complete and clear back road 3-car road conditions, but also include more road scenery. Front camera, it captures full high-definition 1080 pixels video. Wide dynamic range allows the camera to perform optimally in any lighting situation by adjusting the exposure to create balanced images and footage. Front and rear camera, 2 channels are recording simultaneously. They could be running in the background, even extinguish the screen, or moving on the GPS navigation. OBD peak DVR can operate normally between -50 degrees Celsius and +80 degrees Celsius, and we have undergone rigorous testing. Number 1. Brand name, Janzite. 10-inch large screen touch panel, so you can perform various operations with simple touch, video recording or playback, exposure adjustment, screen brightness adjustment, G-sensor, date or time, etc. You can switch the front and rear camera images by sliding left and right, and adjust the viewing angle by sliding up and down. The camera chip has a built-in night vision processing function, which allows you to record video even in low-light environment. Front and back cameras work at the same time, recording all the video to get evidence. The IP68 waterproof standard ensures that the rear camera works perfectly on rainy or foggy days. There are also loop recording and G-sensor functions. With a 170-degree wide-angle lens, the camera can comfortably monitor 3 lanes. This camera has no blind spots. Enjoy your journey and achieve accurate and detailed captures. Time-lapse video can be continuously recorded for 24 hours, more secure and convenient. You can adjust the appropriate angle of view by long pressing the screen and moving your finger up and down. You can switch views by swiping your finger left or right. It contains 3 views, front view, rear view, front and rear view. With this thoughtful Janzite front lens design, you no longer have to worry about the rain sensor touching the DVR's field of view. G-sensor can lock up current DVR recording during critical moments, thus protecting your high-quality recordings. If DVR be shocked by any external forces like a thief while parking, its parking mode function will turn on to recording automatically. Automatically overwrite the previous recordings with new files except locked files when the memory card is full. Car camera HD 1080 pixels video recording, the high demand in the TF card. In order to ensure the normal use of the DVR, you need a TF card with a high read and write speed.